In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Linktree on YouTube. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add your YouTube content to your Linktree so visitors can find it quickly, whether that's a channel, a playlist, or a specific video. First, open Linktree and sign into your account. From your dashboard, head to the links area, which is where you manage everything people see on your Linktree page. This is your control center. You can add new links, reorder them, and tweak how they look. If you already have links, you'll see them listed. If not, this is where your first one will go. Next, go to the section where you create a new link. You'll notice there's a library of link types you can browse, as well as a search bar. Both do the same job. They help you find a pre-built option tailored for popular platforms. Using these templates makes setup faster and ensures your link behaves the way people expect on mobile and desktop. Search for YouTube or scroll until you see the YouTube option, then click it. Choosing the dedicated YouTube link type helps Linktree recognize and format your content correctly, which can improve how it displays and how users interact with it. It also keeps your setup clean and consistent if you plan to add more platform-specific links later. You'll now see fields to customize the link. Start by typing a clear, compelling title. Think about what you want visitors to do and make that obvious. For example, if you're spotlighting your entire channel, something like "Watch my YouTube channel" works well. If it's a single video, make the title action-focused and specific so people know exactly what they'll get. Short titles are easier to scan, especially on mobile. Below the title, paste your YouTube URL. This can be a channel link, a video link, or a playlist link. Use whatever best matches your goal. Grab the URL directly from YouTube to avoid typos and include the full address so it loads properly. If you're linking to a video, make sure you're using the final public link and not a draft or a studio page. After pasting, give it a moment. Linktree often fetches a preview so you can confirm you've got the right destination. Take a quick look at how it appears alongside your other links to ensure the title reads well and the link looks clean. That's all there is to it. You've added your YouTube content to Linktree, making it easier for your audience to find and watch.